Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at this guy right here, the GOKOO smartwatch. You could find it on Amazon. A really affordable price of $45.99. I've been playing around with this guy for the last 5 days, and they're called the GOKOO smartwatch. I'll leave a link down below. But if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified. If you're already part of the crew, salute. So this guy right here is really nice. It has 24 sport modes. It has a whole library of clock faces that you could switch out as well. Not only is it going to be able to track your heartbeat, but it also does track your blood oxygen levels, which is like your blood pressure. It does that live. So like if you're having, a spurt of a heart increase, the watch will actually track that for you. It will let you know and start vibrating. That happened a few times while I was wearing it, where I was exercising pretty rapidly. I was in a aggressive workout, and the watch would vibrate, let me know that my heartbeat was, higher than normal. The library of clock faces is actually pretty cool. The watch does come with about 4 or 5 that you can scroll through, but inside the app on my phone right here, there's a whole library of clock faces that you can use. So this is called the dial center right here. So I really like that feature because you could choose between a large variety of clock faces on here. And there was a lot of them to choose from, over 24. We do have 24 sports modes on here as well, so just a large variety of sports modes. Now, the other thing that I really like about this watch is it does track the weather as well. So I was able to look at my watch, swipe across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, no, 6 times to get to the weather, 4 times to get to your sleep, and 3 times to get to the blood pressure, and 3 times to get to the heartbeat. So right now it says that I'm 100 beats per minute, which is kind of in the spot where your heart's starting to pump a little bit more than normal now, which is starting to drop. So I really loved how they do the live heartbeat versus pressing a button and then waiting for it to track that, versus it's just live all the time. It's tracking your heartbeat by the minute on this watch. Now they do tout 2 to 5 days on here, and I'm in my 5th day, going on my 6th. So this is I just finished the 5th day. Now this is the 6th day that I've been using the smartwatch. And the battery does look like it's at like 20% or something like that. So it looks like I do have about, you can see how low the bar is right there at the top. Looks like I have about maybe 15-20% left on here. But it's still alive after the 6th day, so it did pass, the 2 to 5 range. It did disconnect about once, but then I reconnected it like after an hour of not being in use. Now we do have the raise to wake, where you could flip that and it'll turn on. We do have step tracking, where you can track your steps, and you could do it by the month, by the week, and by the day. Also, they do have an option here where you can actually go to your, it does do like a health week report, and you could kind of track your statistics to see if it's less or more than the average person in your age group, height, weight, and gender. So I think that's pretty cool. But this watch is really sick. It's going to do that for your sleep, for your exercise as well. Let you know what you have to improve on in order to be more healthy. And that's really cool. I really do find this thing awesome. You can also do your daily target steps, as well as a training plan on this device, this watch, and on the smart app. So I really do like the blood pressure, the sleep tracking, the heart rate sensing on here, the step tracking, like I said before. It also does have a GPS monitor on here, where you can see how far you walked And that's pretty cool. You could also change the unit of Celsius or Fahrenheit, as well as metric, or you know, the other one. Now, the other thing that's pretty cool on here is that you do get your message reminders. You can ignore a call straight from your watch. And I think that's pretty cool as well about this thing. So yeah, I've been using this thing for about a week now, 5 days, and it's held up. You also do get like a waterproof option. So I've been using this in the shower, and I haven't had any issues with the watch being like, you know, like it's IP67, so it can withstand rain and stuff like that. It's not IP68, so it's not completely waterproof. But you do get about 7 days standby time on here. And the band on this thing, it's a 26mm band, so you can change out the bands and just go on Amazon and search for bands on the smartwatch and switch it out with any 26mm band. So I think that's pretty cool. 24 sports modes, like I said before. It's compatible with Android and iOS as well, so really compatible smart watch, really affordable, under $50. So it's really cool, and I really do like that it incorporates the weather and live heartbeat modes, and it has more clock faces than I've ever seen before on a smartwatch. So it lasts about a week of time, so that's a really good amount of time for a smartwatch to last. Also, you can get the 26, you know what I mean, millimeter bands on Amazon, like I said before. So I'm gonna drop a link down below. But let me know, and I'll get right back with you later. Peace.